Hello everyone! Ayan na naman po ang iyong masahistang Inday. Nagmamassage na naman po tayo everyone. Ayan guys. So, tayo ay mayroong 2.5 hours massage dito sa ating client. And mayroon po tayong kasunod na 3 hours sa BF Resort. Yan everyone yung ating trabaho. Sobrang ating hanap buhay, massage therapy. Tayo po ay freelancer everyone. Ayan guys, sa ating mga customers, clients yan. Ayan guys, si Ate Reg. Touch home service within Las Piñas po tayo guys. Ayan. Thank you so much everyone for trusting my hand. Ayan guys. So, yan.